A significant percentage of humans listen to music very often. They connect with it, and it can basically take away their worries, even for a short time. Listening to music with headphones is just a whole other ballgame, and it makes the music sound so much better, hence enhancing the experience. What exactly could the future of headphones look like? Watch this video for an answer to this and more. First up, what headphones might look like in the future. Everyone wants to be at peace, and music can help them get there to a larger extent. With headphones, music not only soothes the soul, but also muffles outside sounds. Due to the distraction-free environment provided by headphones, the focus is improved. Have you ever noticed that music sounds better with headphones than without? It brings out the music's authentic sounds. Additionally, headphones can help you avoid conflicts, rage, or arguments. Using headphones while listening to music during a heated fight can assist one's mind to relax. Headphones come in a variety of styles, including wired and wireless options. The sales of wired headphones are rapidly declining due to the rapidly expanding technology revolution. Firstly, let's talk about the future styles of headphones. We offer many various styles of headphones, including earbuds, over-the-head models, and AirPods. We used to have a lot of wired headphones, which were quite uncomfortable and interfered with our ability to work, especially when they were attached to a phone. Now, many wireless headphones connect via Bluetooth, which is more practical. Another approach involves removing the memory card from the phone and inserting it into the headphones. This is doable with over-the-head phones. Some businesses are developing self-built memory cards or overhead headphones that will allow them to be used without a phone or without removing memory cards from phones in the future. There are additional features, including pairing and resetting. Most wireless headphones, including JBL headphones, support pairing and reset. You may link and reset JBL headphones, which are high-quality headphones that filter outside noise and provide good audio quality. Next, let's talk about music play. Due to the lack of wired headphones, Bluetooth connections are widely used to play music, and most people are starting to get used to this innovation. A self-built memory card in the headphones will simplify playing music. Numerous packages offered by headphone manufacturers could enhance the enjoyment of music, but these packages have not been yet made to the public. As we wait for the significant package, we are kept in suspense. Now, we'll talk about gameplay. To fit with the game's flow, most games require headphones. Previously, most headphones used for gaming were wired. Still, thanks to technological advancements in the headphone industry, wireless headphones for gaming have been launched and are now widely utilized since they are more practical and enjoyable. Utilizing headphones to adjust the audio settings and LED lighting are two further developments in headphone gaming. The lighting effect can affect the entire room in addition to the headphones. We'll get a sneak peek at a few of the many capabilities that headphones will have in the future. Utilizing headphones will be more fun and practical thanks to these features. The corporation has yet to release many additional features that it has promised. We have the traffic control headphones and the app control headphones. The world is changing due to technology, and headphones are not exempt from this change. Users of headphones are advised not to wear them when walking down the street because some cars are irresponsible. This is a major nuisance because listening to music while strolling on the street can be very calming, and headphones help block street noise. In addition to blocking out the noise, listening to music while walking is helpful. You'll discover that listening to music allows you to go great distances. This is why some businesses have chosen to address this heartbreaking issue. The headphones will have a chip informing the user of an approaching car even if the vehicle is still some distance away. This will aid in reducing your fear of accidents while you listen to some lovely music. Now for the app control headphones. You may attest that using headphones while battling with some phone apps can be frustrating. A headset that could assist you in opening and using the app would be good, isn't it? This would be a dream come true, and thanks to recent technological advancements, the reality is not that far away. The majority of headphone manufacturers, especially Apple, are creating quality products. With the app control headphones, the future of headphones is already grinning at us. They want consumers to be as comfortable as possible. Next up, a few technologies will impact cars and motorcycles of the future. The last 10 years have seen more automotive and transportation technology advancements than the previous 100. The market entry of companies like Tesla has sparked the creation of several technologies that make it easier for us to picture a future with completely autonomous and electric cars. We can better predict how the automobile industry will develop in the coming years, not decades, by taking a quick look at a few of the most cutting-edge systems. The electrification of automobiles in the future is not a surprise. An exponential improvement in loading speed has been realized thanks to the development of batteries built of nanoparticles based on germanium by companies like StoreDot, thanks to the assistance of Eve Energy, a Chinese business that specializes in the production of batteries. The Israeli company has already manufactured the first batch of 1,000 batteries. It appears that StoreDot wants to mass produce these batteries by bringing its development different to automakers. Of course, a particular charger is needed for charging, and its specifications must satisfy a number of requirements. Currently, a lot of businesses are interested in autonomous driving. The truth is that only Tesla has presented a model for testing on the consumer market, despite the fact that Google and Apple are two other significant players in the sector. Elon Musk's business recently filed a public beta of its own autonomous driving system for a select group of users in the United States. Although the CEO has not yet specified a release date, it's expected that this feature will eventually be added to the remaining Tesla vehicles using the most recent technology, despite some industry experts' reservations about the system due to the lack of LiDAR sensors. In fact, the present version's operation relies solely on the vehicle's cameras, which could limit how well it performs in some circumstances. Companies like Samsung were able to construct full systems for leisure in the automobile, thanks to the development of various brands' autonomous driving technologies. This South Korean firm wants us to be able to access multimedia material whenever we want by surrounding the dashboard with a screen. Although, in theory, this system may be used when stationary, autonomous driving would allow us to make use of all these experiences while the car is driving, with the most recent Battery Day, an occasion intended to outline the company's advancements in the battery industry. Musk presented the new technology that would be created in the upcoming years, and that would be used to provide the Tesla Semi, Tesla's electric truck, an autonomy of at least 1,000 kilometers at the previous conference. This technology would be the same as that introduced with the Tesla Roadster 2, a super sports car from the company that promises to deliver the same level of autonomy as the outgoing model. The corporation will predictably gradually add new innovations to the fleet of cars it now operates. Next up, some tech trends to look out for in 2023. As 2022 comes to a close, we start to wonder what the future has in store for us. The development of 5G and the Internet of Things are just two recent technological developments. Several additional groundbreaking inventions, notably in the area of information technology, were made during the COVID era. The first thing to look out for is to do with blockchain technology. It is mainly utilized in the financial industry right now, but it will likely be used in other industries, including healthcare, government, and education in the future. Using artificial intelligence, blockchain may also be used to store non-financial data, such as medical information. Next, as to do with metaverse. This includes both augmented reality and virtual reality. Although the gaming business now makes up a substantial portion of virtual reality, other industries are also anticipated to be significantly impacted by it. To name a few, the healthcare sector, education and transportation, architecture and engineering. Through virtual or augmented reality, there might be a more effective way to conduct meetings than Zoom meetings. Also, we have Wi-Fi 6 and 5G, since this technology can theoretically give quicker rates when compared to the previous generation of Wi-Fi. We can anticipate seeing a significant improvement in how Wi-Fi is used in the future. Through its wireless connections, it can transmit data at up to 9.6 gigabytes per second. Its development is anticipated to be influenced by affordability as well. Next, as to do with quantum computing. It's possible that quantum computing will be crucial in finding a solution to climate catastrophe. Undoubtedly a technology that governments and multinational corporations might use. There will be a change in the implementation of bionic ears too. The implant is anticipated to make it easier for people with hearing loss to utilize headphones and other listening devices in addition to providing hearing aids. We have come to the end of the video. The world of technology is an interesting one, don't you agree? What else do you want us to talk about? Inform us in the comment section. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.